revolutionizing AI-driven leadership and management.
Accelerate research success with ChatGPT. Effective communication between researchers and AI algorithms is vital for research success. ChatGPT is an AI-driven application that utilizes natural language processing to create meaningful dialogues. The application serves as an intelligent assistant to researchers, offering insightful recommendations and analyses. ChatGPT can also communicate with other database frameworks and software, providing comprehensive data analysis. Its simplicity and automation allow for focus on more critical aspects of research. The software's capabilities allow for improved collaboration and decision-making. The application can learn from and adapt to researchers' styles and preferences. ChatGPT can generate insights from research data, such as hypothesis testing and statistical inferences. ChatGPT's language model is continually learning from new datasets. The software can provide researchers with faster and more accurate answers to their inquiries. ChatGPT offers a personalized user experience through targeted assistance. The application can recommend other relevant research papers. ChatGPT helps researchers organize, manage and analyze large volumes of data quickly. It provides an accessible, intuitive, and affordable solution for research. ChatGPT enhances the performance of tools and software currently used by organizations. The software improves team productivity by streamlining communication and collaboration. It enables researchers to identify patterns and connections between datasets. The application provides quick and easy access to research findings, without the need for extensive searches. ChatGPT can generate reports, graphs, and charts, simplifying the presentation of data. The software helps researchers create compelling research proposals, enhancing their chances of success. ChatGPT leaves more time for creativity and innovation in the research process. The application can help organizations drive innovation and build their competitive edge. It provides a reliable and efficient research management system. ChatGPT offers an accessible solution for researchers of all levels. ChatGPT supports open science initiatives, promoting accessibility and collaboration. Small and large research teams can benefit from its capabilities. It empowers researchers to make more informed decisions. ChatGPT is revolutionizing AI-driven leadership and management. Billionaire in the making. I can. I will. I must. Let's go.